To buy leaps on Robinhood, you need to understand what leaps are and how they work. Leaps are long-term equity anticipation securities, are a type of option that expires in more than 9 months, often up to 2.5 years. They allow you to speculate on the price movement of a stock over a longer period. First, open the Robinhood app and navigate to the search bar. Type in the ticker symbol of the stock you are interested in buying leaps for. Once you have selected the stock, click on the Options tab and then select the expiration date you want. Leaps will be listed under the options with expiration dates more than 9 months away. Next, choose the strike price and the type of option you want to buy. Either a call or a put. A call option gives you the right to buy the stock at the strike price, while a put option gives you the right to sell the stock at the strike price. Select the number of contracts you want to buy, keeping in mind that each contract represents 100 shares of the underlying stock. After selecting your options, review your order and make sure everything is correct. Check the premium, which is the price you pay for the option, and the total cost of the trade. You can also set a limit price, which is the maximum price you are willing to pay for the option. Once you have confirmed your order, click the Buy button to execute the trade. Your leaps will be added to your Robinhood portfolio, and you can track their performance over time. It is essential to have a solid understanding of options trading and the risks involved before buying leaps on Robinhood. Make sure to set a budget, do your research, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Best practices for buying leaps on Robinhood include starting with small positions, diversifying your portfolio, and regularly monitoring your trades. It is also crucial to have a clear understanding of your investment goals and risk tolerance before entering the world of options trading. By following these steps and guidelines, you can successfully buy leaps on Robinhood and potentially profit from long-term price movements. In the stock market,